Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram posts. So guys, if you want to add any music and want to use music to your Instagram posts, then I'll help you how to do this. So guys, you can easily add any music. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, after opening this, simply you need to click on this plus button. And guys, from here you hello need guys, welcome back. And guys, from here you need to add any post that you want to upload. So guys, for example, I am going to upload this one. And guys, simply you need to click on this next button. And guys, from here you will find here the option of music. Simply you need to click on this one. And guys, from here you can use any music as you want. So guys, you can search any music as well. So guys, for example, I am going to search this one. So guys, you can search as well. So guys, if you want to use your custom music, then guys, simply you need to click on browse button. And guys, from here you can add your own music easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.